Hi friends, my name is Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh. Today's date is 29 March 2022. Today's video topic is control statement in the Java programming language. Now we can see this control statement in the Java programming language. First is decision making statement. Second is loop statement. Third is jump statement. First is decision making. Now we can see this. As the name suggests that decision making is executed the statement. In a decision making statement there are main two types of statement. First is if statement, second is switch statement. We can see if statement. If statement tests the condition. This condition either true or false. If statement checks Boolean conditions. If statement contains four types. First is simple if statement. Second is if is statement. Third is if is ladder. Fourth is nested if statement. Second type is loops. We can see second type, loops. In Java programming language, sometimes we need to execute a block of code repeatedly whenever condition is true. Now this time loop statement is used. In Java programming language, there are three types of loop. First is for loop, second is while loop, third is do while loop. We can see subtype of for loop. For loop is similar like C, C++. Its work is initialize the variable and check the condition and increment, decrement inline code. Second is while. While loop is also known as entry controller loop because conditions are checked at the start of loop in a while statement. Third sub-statement is do while. Do while loop is also known as exit control loop because conditions are not checked start of loop. In do while loop, conditions are checked at the end of loop. Next main third type is jump. Jump statement transfer the control program to statement. In jump statement contains there are two types. First type is break statement. Second type is continue statement. We can see first type, break statement. Break statement is used to break the flow of loop. Second statement is continue. It is the opposite to break statement. It does not break the loop. It skips the loop and jump to next iterate loop. Is our continue statement. Is this all of information to related control statements? Thank you everyone watching this video.